Yeah, man, it's going down to like this here, man. Quali'D Repairs, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We in this to win, you know what I'm saying? When you trying to get something done, man, we do import, export, and output. You know what I'm talking about? We do instruction, destruction, and reconstruction. You know what I'm talking about? Holla at us, you did.
Quali'D Repairs, man. We back at it again. Me and Quentin Joe. Yeah, man. Took slide doors out, man. Finna put a whole door jam in on the back of the patio. Man, and wrap it up with this siding right here. They go to the front of it right there. I'm gonna wrap the side of it up, man, real nice. Here we go, y'all. A little snippet, man. I'm finna go on, touch it on up some more, finish it on up. Just the outside, man. Run that panel around like that there. Look at the door frame, the door jam. The inside got panel in it too, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, that's how we do it, Quali'D.
Look. Carpenters are not cheap. Cheap carpenters are not skilled.
Y'all see that, man? That man are drawing a imprint to go, man. What? Come on now, you take the sink out and, man, you ain't got a blueprint, just do your cut and draw and draw. Look, y'all tell me, man. It's
just like that, man.
Just like that, man. You know what I'm saying? Skilled carpenters aren't cheap, and cheap carpenters aren't skilled.
Hold on, man. Yeah, we take work the G's out.
Now you got to work the G's out.
What's going on now?
Now it's going on.
My
Skilled carpenters aren't cheap. Cheap carpenters aren't skilled. Skilled carpenters. Oh man, yep. Yep, cabinets been done. Countertops been done. Yeah.